How to create saved posts collection on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create saved posts collection on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then just click these three lines here in the top corner, and here you will find the save it. Click on it, and here just click create, and then type here any name you want, and then select collection privacy, and then just click create. And as you see, the collection has been created, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.